Okay, so today we'll be doing a teardown of this iPhone 4S here. Um, it's okay, don't be upset that this is, it's damaged. You see, part of the OLED LCD screen has been damaged. So this iPhone is useless. So we're doing a Ifixit complete teardown report on this iPhone 4S. Damaged screen. Well, first what we gotta do is open up these screw holes. So we do this and maybe we needed something a little bigger, like this might be a little difficult. Apple engineered this very well. I'll be back with a little bit of progress, hopefully. So we have a little bit of progress here. I've started to crack it open here. This is the BENDGATE that they were talking about. This was in my pocket for 2 seconds, and it's been like this. I'll report back when this is fully open. So here is our iPhone 6P. It was operating for a second there, but it looks like it's stopped. I don't know what this is. Paper. Here's the A9630 chip of the iPhone. Very powerful chip here. More powerful than my camera because it can't even focus. Look at that. Grainy bullshit. This is the OLED Retina display here. Beautiful. This is what powers it. The nature. So, yeah, I'm gonna report back when we get the motherboard off, alright? Fuck! So the iPhone 4S seemed pretty simple to break down. If I had to repair this, I think I'd be able to do it pretty easily. The harder part would be, putting it back together, because, I think what you do, this is the case, you just kind of put it on top. See, it's basically like a Lego here, and then you put in the buttons in, and it works fine. See, look, perfect. So, this is a good product, I tell you what. I give it a key. Fuck you.